Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we tell you how Lithuanian was Polish-Lithuanian Commonwealth. According to historians, Polish-Lithuanian Commonwealth can be treated as the very first federation in the world. Both nations, while being big, strong and powerful kingdoms, duchies, decided to join together on a goodwill with both kings and capitals alternating with equal importance. No one attacked or conquered one another. It was pure peaceful alliance, with some conditions of course. Poland was more populated and more culturally and scientifically advanced, while Lithuania was more war-oriented place with quite strong army back in 15th century. Joining with Poland gave Lithuania immediate recognition and acceptance to Western culture and brought university, Western architectural styles, influenced literature and culture. In 16th century it experienced prosperity but later went into period of decline. By the second half of 17th century Polish language and influence started to dominate the Commonwealth. Lithuanian language, although already written and formed, stayed used in more rural areas with peasant population rather than in education and science. Books in Lithuanian were still published and some schools existed, but with an equal proportion with Polish. At the very end of 18th century this Commonwealth collapsed from within without any profound war, and most of the Lithuanian lands, 90%, went to Russian Empire. Here is important to notice, Lithuania for the first time went through massive Russification. Not before that, in contrast to a common opinion of many amateurs who thinks Lithuania grew from Slavic, Russian, cradle. At that point no Lithuanian spoke Russian, and it took decades for the Russian Empire to force Russian language to this small non-Slavic nation. Lithuania spent 123 years under Russian rule. During that period the university was closed, as Russia did not live peacefully with the idea of Lithuania had even older university than Moscow's. There was an attempt to ban Lithuanian written language and even to convert Catholic nation into Orthodox. However, all this failed as Lithuanians still spoke their language and printed sneaky books. So Lithuania may not be as powerful as a nation during Polish-Lithuanian Commonwealth times, but definitely benefited and has some word in there before the decline of the Union. Largely thanks to this Commonwealth, Lithuania stayed protected from Tatars and kept its purely European genetics, which affects the look of people until now, gained all the styles like Baroque, Gothics etc., absorbed a lot of European culture and lived as a provincial part of Europe. If not this Commonwealth, Lithuanian might be consumed by Russians much earlier and transformed, dissolved into Russian nation irreversibly. As we see now, this did not happen, and Lithuania managed to keep its own defined identity with unique language and genetic background.